Hi, in this video I'm just going to unbox the 13-inch 10-amp electric snow shovel by Snow Joe. It's model number 323E and it claims to move up to 400 pounds of snow per minute. So I'm just going to open this up, put it together. It's still October here, so there isn't any snow, but I will come back and add parts of the video when it is snowing to show you how this thing works. For now, I'm just going to open it up and put it together. So looks like you've got a little bit of wrapping here to protect the cable from getting damaged during transportation. Pull this out. Okay, so I've got that out. And inside here is the manual, along with the handle and some other mounting hardware. So I'm going to remove this. Here's the handle. It's going to mount this way, not this way. And we got some mounting hardware. So this is part of the handle, and this is to mount the two pieces together that are packaged separately. As you can see, this is going to have to come up, go inside here, and then there's a hole here on this side as well through which that screw and connector is going to go. But before you do that, put the handle on, because you're not going to get the handle through this thick part of the pole. So you put the handle through there. As you can see, it's not going to fit around the pole, so don't put it there. Make sure you mount it before you put it together. So there you go. So now with the handle on, I can proceed to put this into place. The handle is adjustable, so you can put it at different heights, whatever's comfortable for you at the end. You just get that screw in. I'm going to put that screw in and then just secure it so it stops moving. In the meantime, let me just put it up against the fence. Okay. So, as you can tell, the screw here is square, and that's the part that's going to fit inside here. So this is the side you're going to put it through, and make sure it comes out the other end, like so. And make sure the screw is in the correct position to go all the way in. There you go, that's in. I'm going to take this piece and just proceed to screw it in over here. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now I'm going to get the other screw and other part to mount the handle. So make sure you put this bolt through this side. Now I'm going to proceed to put this on. And you can just tighten it. Like I said, it's adjustable, whatever height you want to put the handle on at. Just test it out afterwards. Before you plug in your extension cord, just make sure you remove this plastic. That's just there to protect the prongs from getting damaged. Try to remove this with one hand. So I managed to get it off. Plug your extension cord inside here, and to turn it on, make sure you press this button here, and as you press, then you can pull the trigger. Okay, because without that button pressed, you can't pull the trigger. So press the button in, then pull the trigger. And you can release the button. It stays on until you release the handle, then it shuts off. This little hook is for your extension cord to keep it out of the way. Let me just hook up an extension cord and turn it on. So I plugged in the extension cord. I've looped it around the little hook here. I'm going to depress the button and turn it on. Oops, need to switch on my outlet for outside. Give me a second here. Okay, I just turned my outlet on. As you can see, there's power to the electrical cord. Press the button. And you can see it spinning. So that's that, and I'll make a video in the winter to demonstrate how effective this is. I do have a snowblower, but I purchased this just strictly for my porch. It's a lot of work to use the shovel on the porch, so I'm going to hope that this does the trick. It's light, it's not too heavy. You can bring it inside your house. Probably the battery operated one would be a lot more easier than trying to lug around an extension cord, but I have power on the porch, so it's not an issue to use an extension cord. So I'll do another video once the snow comes, and I'll show you how good this thing works. Thanks for joining me.